Hi, my name is Chris Wade. I'm a contractor in the city of Los Angeles. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a shower handle. If you find that your shower handles are not working properly, you're turning them and nothing's happening, most of the time that's actually going to be the actual shower handle itself. It's not going to be the stem, it's not going to be anything internal, it's going to be, and I'm going to show you why. You pull the cap off, and inside there you're going to find a screw, and you just want to undo the screw, and you're going to want to pull it off. It's going to have grooves on it that coordinate with your particular shower valve. As you can see, once that fits in there, that gives it that snug fit to turn this and operate the water. Over time, these ridges will start to wear away, and this thing will just basically spin, is probably what you're finding out. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you get the right fitting that fits on with your shower valve. Your plumbing supply place, your hardware store, or your local home center, and you just find a couple different faucets. These are very inexpensive, so I would suggest getting the matching set instead of just replacing one, because visually you'll be able to tell right away. So go ahead and pick up a hot and a cold, and the one thing you want to do is you want to take this with you, because there are about 3 or 4 different types that will have different configurations inside here. So find the one that matches yours, bring them home, open up the package, and you just basically put the hot on the hot, the cold on the cold, and you just slip it on, make sure it fits nice and snug, replace the screw, get it in there nice and tight, put the cap back on, voila, there's nothing to it.